Hey folks, okay, today I'll be talking about monomials, binomials and polynomials. Okay, for the first one, a monomial. A monomial is a expression with one term. So you see here 3x squared, we've just got one term. So this is called a monomial. We've got a 3, which is the coefficient, right there. And we've got the x, which is the variable, and it's been raised to the second power. So this is just a monomial. We've just got one term. This whole thing is called a term. Now a binomial is we've got two terms. So we've got this term here, and we add it to another one, which is this here, which is two. Means it's a binomial because it's got two terms. Now a polynomial is when an expression has many terms. So we can have this one here is one term, this one's two terms, and this one's three terms. But we can have more than just three terms. We can have many terms. Like we could have 3x squared plus x plus 2x plus 4. That's a type of polynomial as well. So monomials have one term here. Binomials have two terms, so this is one term and this is two terms. And then polynomials have many terms. Right, let's just go into some questions to see if you get an understanding of this. Okay, the first one is monomials only have one term. I'll let you do these. I'm not going to tell you the answers yet. I'll tell you the answers later. But what do you think that one is? A monomial only has one term. Okay, once you've done that, let's move on to the next question. Binomials only have two terms. What do you think? The next one. Polynomials have many terms. Okay. Let's move to the next one. 3x squared plus 2x is a monomial. Now there is going to be some tricky questions. There's going to be trick questions. Okay, so 4x squared is a monomial. Last one. 6x squared plus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. Okay, once you've done all those, I'll move on to the answers. So the answers are these. So monomials only have one term. That's yes, they only have one term, which consists of a coefficient, a variable, and raised to some power. Binomials only have two terms, so that is again correct. Binomials only have two terms. So for an example, 3x squared plus 4x is a binomial. Polynomials have many terms, and that's true. Yes, it is. Polynomials do have many terms. It could be 3x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 4. That's the type of polynomial because it's many terms. It's got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, these next lot are going to be a little bit trickier because they involve actual expressions you have to figure out. So 3x squared plus 2x is a monomial. Well, again, no, this isn't a monomial because it's got two terms. It's got 1, 2. So this isn't a monomial because monomials only have one term. Sorry. So a monomial would just be 3x squared. That would be a monomial. So this is no, it's not a monomial. 4x squared is a monomial. True, it is. It's only got one term and that's it. That's a monomial. 6x squared plus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. Yes, that's true. It is because it has many terms. It has three terms, but it can have many more if it wanted. If it had 4 terms, it would be a polynomial. If it had 5 terms, it would be a polynomial. So yes, this is correct. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. Tell me what you think. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've got an understanding of what monomials, binomials, and polynomials are. Okay, cheers. Thanks, everybody. See ya. Bye.